Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 21, Unit D Culture and Literature, all about India from the book DK 5. The president is the head of the country. He is the first citizen of India and the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces. जो president होता है वो country का head होता है. Also he is the first citizen होता है और जो supreme commander होता है Indian Armed Forces का वो भी president ही होता है. Okay. Then we have creative skill. First, identify the picture of presidents of India and write their names with the help of Helpbox. So we have to identify the pictures of president and we can take the help from Helpbox. This is the Helpbox. We have so many names. R. Venkat Ramanam, Pratibha Patil, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, KR Narayan, Gyani Zail Singh, Dr. Zakir Hussain, VV Giri, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Ramnath Kovind, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, Neelam Sanjiva Reddy, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Pranab Mukherjee, Draupadi Murmu. So the first one, we have the time span given 1950 to 1962. So this president is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then we have the second one. The time span is 1962 to 1967. The name of this president is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Then we have the third one, the time span given 1967 to 1969. The name of this president is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Then we have the fourth one. The time span is 1969 to 1974. And the name of this president is VV Giri. Then we have the fifth one. The time span is 1974 to 1977. The name of this president is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Then we have the sixth one. The time span is 1977 to 1988. The name of this president is Neelam Sanjiva Reddy. Then we have the seventh one. The time span is 1982 to 1987. The name of this president is Gyani Zail Singh. Then we have the eighth one. The time span is 1987 to 1992. The name of this president is R. Venkat Ramanam. Then we have the ninth one. The time span is 1992 to 1997. The name of this president is Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Then we have the 10th one. We have the time span 1997 to 2002. The name of this president is KR Narayan. Then we have the 11th one. The time span is 2002 to 2007. The name of this president is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Then we have the 12th one. The time span is 2007 to 2012. The name of this president is Pratibha Patil. Then we have the 13th one. The time span is 2012 to 2017. The name of this president is Pranab Mukherjee. Then we have the 14th one. The time span is 2017 to 2022. The name of this president is Ramnath Kovind. Then we have the 15th one. The time span is 2022 to till date. The name of this president is Draupadi Murmu. Here we have the info bit. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian politician, lawyer and journalist and was the first president of the Republic of India. राजेंद्र प्रसाद एक इंडियन पॉलिटिशियन, लॉयर और जर्नलिस्ट थे जो कि फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट बने थे रिपब्लिक इंडिया के. देन वी हैव टीचर्स नोट. Tell to the students, identify the various roles played by the president in the Indian political system and discuss the ceremonial duties and executive powers vested in the president. Then we have the second one. Using the table, fill in the boxes with the name of ports of India. So we have to use this box to fill these blanks. First, I'll explain this box. So we have 4 columns, namely name, state, cargo handle, container traffic. So the first one is name of the port is Deen Dayal Port Trust. It is in the state Gujarat and there is million tons, about 110.10 million tons cargo handled, and in percentage increase it is 4.42%. And here we have container traffic is about 117 and we have the percentage increase of 95.73%. Okay. Then we have the second one, Paradeep Port Trust, which is in Odisha, and here you can see the cargo handle and here you can see the container traffic. Okay. Then we have third one, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, which is in Maharashtra, and the cargo handle figures are this one and container traffic figures are this one. Then we have the fourth one, Visakhapatnam Port Trust, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and the cargo handle figures are these ones and container traffic figures are these ones. Then we have the fifth one, Mumbai Port Trust, which is in Maharashtra, and the figures are these ones and container traffic figures are these ones. Then we have sixth, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust, which is in West Bengal, and cargo handled figures are these ones and container traffic are these ones. Then we have seventh one, Chennai Port Trust, which is in Tamil Nadu. Cargo handle figures are these ones and container traffic are these ones. Then we have the eighth one, New Mangaluru Port Trust, which is in Karnataka, and the figures are these ones for cargo handle and the remaining ones for container traffic. Then we have the ninth one, VO Chidambarnar Port Trust, which is in Tamil Nadu. The cargo handle figures are these ones and the container traffic figures are these ones. Then we have Kamarajar Port Limited, which is in Tamil Nadu again, and the figures for cargo handle are these ones and container traffic are these ones. Then we have the 11th one, Kochi Port Trust, which is in Kerala, and the figures for cargo handle are these ones and container traffic figures are these ones. Then we have the 12th one, Mormugu Port Trust, which is in Goa, and the figures for cargo handle are these ones and container traffic are these ones. Okay. Then we have the hell box here. We have different options. Deen Dayal Port Trust, Mumbai Port Trust, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Mormugu Port Trust, New Mangaluru Port Trust, Kochi Port Trust, VOC Port Trust, Chennai Port Trust, Kamarajar Port Trust, Visakhapatnam Port Trust, Paradeep Port Trust, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. Now we'll just fill these blanks. So the first one is the Deen Dayal Port Trust. Then we have the second one, which is Mumbai Port Trust. Then we have the third one, which is Jawahar Port Trust. Then we have the fourth one, which is Mormugu Port Trust. Then we have the fifth one, which is New Mangaluru Port Trust. And here the sixth one is the Kochi Port Trust. Then the seventh one is the VOC Port Trust. Then the eighth one is the Chennai Port Trust. Then we have the ninth one, which is Kamarajar Port Trust. Then we have the 10th one, which is Vishakhapatnam Port Trust. Then we have the 11th one, which is Paradeep Port Trust. Then in the end, 12th one, which is Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. We have the think and write as well. Which president had the longest term in office? The answer is Rajendra Prasad. Then we have Infobit. Paradeep Port is a natural and deep water port. जो Paradeep Port है वो एक natural deep water port है. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.